Example 10. We have a lot of things going on here, so let's take this one at a time. First thing I want you to notice, inside. Do you see how I have a scaling and a shift together? So that means I need to separate them. So this is actually going to be 1/2, and then I want x, and then this is going to be minus 2. And I can always double check by distributing that back in. So 1/2 times x is 1/2 x. 1/2 times -2 is -1. So that's the same, but now it's separated, so I know I'm doing it right. So let's see what's going on here. I have, let's see, here, I have a negative on the outside. So that is outside. That is going to be, outside is always up and down. That negative is a reflection. Up and down. Next, I've got this 1/2 right there. That is inside. So let's think. Inside is left to right, side to side, and it's always opposite. So this is going to be a horizontal stretch because it's opposite. So it's going to be 2 times as wide. The next one I have inside is the -2. So that's opposite. It's a shift right 2. And then the last one I've got is out here on the outside. Outside is up and down the same, so that one's going to move down 2. Now I just have to be careful with my order of operations. I've got 4 things happening here. Excuse me. So I want to go inside first, and then I can do my scaling first. So I'm going to do 2 times as wide first. Then I'm going to do my right 2. And that takes care of my inside stuff. Now order of operations on the outside. We want to do multiplying first, so the reflection, and then adding, subtracting the shift. So we're going to do our reflection up and down next. And then we're going to go down 2. So we have a lot of things we got to do here. Let's draw out our parent graph. And we got to do all 4 of these things to each point. So I'm going to start right here at my center. I want to go 2 times as wide. That's at the origin, so that doesn't impact that. Next, I got to go right 2. So now I'm right here. Next, I need to reflect it up and down. But I'm on the y-axis, so I can't really reflect. So now I just go down 2. And I'm right there. Let's do that with the next point right here. I want to make it 2 times as wide. Well, it is 1 block away from the y-axis, so I want to make that twice as wide out to here. Then I need to move it right 2, 1, 2. Then I need to reflect it up and down, so that's reflected down to here. And then I got to move down 2. Right there. Now let's do the third point right here. I want to do it 2 times as wide. Right now it's 4 wide, so I'm going to make it 2 times as wide, 8 wide. Then I move it right 2. Then I reflect it up and down, reflect down to there, and then move down 2. And it looks like I'm running out of space to do my next one, so I can just stick with that. And there we go. Okay, in the next video, we're going to do this one. This is probably the hardest example we're going to do because we're actually going to have all 6 types of transformations in this one. It gets kind of crazy. So come back to the next video and we'll do this example together.